This is what our room looks like. We do have a ceiling fan, a floor lamp in the corner. They have your TV and a table. They also have a refrigerator and a freezer. It's a little small, but it's plenty big. They do actually have a little freezer too. You have your microwave. They do have a Keurig, and they supply some coffees and teas and some creamers. A little sink area. Your closet over here has your hangers, a big safe, a luggage valet. Your bathroom area has your backlit mirror and your towels. They do supply your shampoo and body wash and conditioner. Everything's very clean. The guest services was very friendly. Your controller for your air and heat. This is a 2-bed configuration. The beds are actually very comfortable. And you have your full-length mirror. And it also has a sink in this room too. So if you have a bunch of people, a family, it's nice to have an extra sink in the room. We will be going down tonight for the reception between 5 and 6:30. They have snacks and you get 2 free drinks each. So I'll show you what that looks like. So this is the drink menu for their evening. So this is the breakfast area. They do have drinks, your coffees and your juices. They have your fresh fruit and your yogurts. Your milks for your cereal. They have grits, cereals, and your breads, your toast and bagels, and pastries. They do have a waffle machine. And then they have your potatoes and pancakes and bacon. And they do, the Embassy Suites have these made-to-order omelets, and they are amazing.
Thank you.
You can do it your way, or you can do, they have a set menu or a chef's choice. They're very, very good.